Yes, hello, hi. Morning, good afternoon, good evening, future and every one of you. Diyan sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, dito sa Pilipinas at sa ibang bansa. Prayer partners man kayo o hindi, kapwa lingkod, kapwa man palat, kapwa man nanalangin. Welcome po kayo sa bahay ng Panginoon. Amen. God bless po sa inyo lahat. Muli pagpala po kayo ng Diyos sa inyong mga ginagawa. At this time, muli ko po kayong aawitan. English song po. When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. When you're down and out, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will comfort you. I'll take your part. Oh, when darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. Sail on, sailor girl, sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. I'm
watching and listening po.
God bless us all.